I'm going to show you how to set up an alarm on your iPhone 11. This can work for any iPhone as well. So all you got to do is search for your clock application right there. Then you're going to see this is the world clock, then you have the clock aspect, then you have the stopwatch, then you have the timer. So you're interested in the alarm aspect right there. So you tap on the alarms, and then look in the right upper part of the screen, you see the word, you see the plus. Tap the plus right there. Okay, so this is where we are going to, customize our alarm and all that. So you see the cancel, add alarm, then save. So look down here. So we want an alarm to set off probably at 7 a.m. Okay, so let's call it 7 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. I want it to probably never repeat. So if you want it to repeat, you can decide to say every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, and depending on what you really want. So I'm going to say every Wednesday. Okay, then I tap back. Okay, so we're going to also label this alarm. You can call it wake up. Okay, and then that is the labeling, and then you can decide to change the sound. You really can decide to go in and pick a song that you really want, or you can select from the ringtones available. I'm gonna go with the one which is the default one. Okay, then we head back, and then the snooze aspect, on or off. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. So after doing that, you have actually customized your alarm. Okay, all you get to do is you get to tap on the word save. Okay, and then you can actually see that your alarm is right there, 7 a.m. on your screen right there. Okay, you look, when you swipe down the notification bar, you can actually see the alarm icon right there, shown by that arrow. Okay, so that is how you set up an alarm in your iPhone.